central Gwinnett County in
Oh, God.
north central Georgia until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Snellville, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Lawrenceville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Snellville, Dacula, Grayson, Mountain Park, Harbin, and Hog Mountain. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.